I recently got a new scan tool from Topdon. This is the Phoenix Max. This is their top of the line scan tool that they offer. Went ahead and purchased the Phoenix Scope. It's a 4-channel oscilloscope as well, because you can pair them together. And one of the main reasons I wanted this one, the Phoenix Max, is because it is capable of doing heavy duty. So like tractors, Cummins, cats, all that kind of stuff, trucks, tractors, agriculture kind of stuff. It has quite a bit of a list that it's capable of doing, so I want to try it out. Got a few projects that are going to be needing it, so we'll go ahead and open up the box and I'll show you guys what all's involved with this scanner. The Phoenix Max comes with a hard-shelled case here, pretty heavy-duty case. Open it up here. Underneath this cover right here, we've got our actual scan tool. This is a 13.3 inch touchscreen Android style scanner. It's got a handle on the top here. It's got a kickstand on the back, and it's got a handle on the back here that you can actually kind of shove your hand up in there. It works really good when you're holding it too. It comes with a docking station. Got the power cable right here that hooks to the docking station, and then the docking station is what actually charges it. You can use it with it connected to the docking station as well. You can set it on your toolbox like that for storage. So we've got the scan tool powered up here. We'll click on the app here for the actual diagnostic. We've got our tabs here to choose how to connect to vehicles. We've got like a service tab. We've got our updates where we can update the actual scan tool to get the latest software to connect to newer of the vehicles. It's got capabilities of saving profiles and jobs and stuff for each vehicle, so you can go back and look at the history. The main reason I wanted this one was to get the heavy duty software. Here is the subscription card here that we got. The price of the subscription card is $499 per year, and if you want to update the software after the first 2 free years, it's $795 for the update. And that update, if you go several years, say 5 years from now, I want to go ahead and update finally, you only have to pay that $795. You don't have to pay it for 5 years if you don't want to. So you don't have to upgrade every single year. With the heavy duty software, if you do want that software, you do have to actually purchase that $499 per year. So if we look in behind here, we've got 2 doors here that flip open. And this is where the actual, they call it the MDCI. This is the Bluetooth connector. You hook your cord here onto the vehicle, and then this Bluetooth to the actual scan tool itself. Here's the OBD2 connector. One end plugs in here, and then any other kind of adapter that doesn't take this will attach to that. There's several other ones up here. And then for like our heavy duty trucks and stuff, we got a 6-pin and a 9-pin connector here that plugs into the dongle there. And then we've also, there's a, looks like an Ethernet connector there, or a cable there, and there's all sorts of other adapters and cables and stuff in this bag here that are used to connect this thing. There's a whole, if you look online, there's a whole list of what all it's capable of hooking on to. I try to use this as much as I possibly can, especially on the heavy duty side on our tractors, and see if this thing's really worth the purchase. And I'll show you guys what it will connect to and what it won't, and what the capabilities are. So be on the lookout for some future videos on this. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer them as best I can.